This video is a request. Diesel gets grounded.
Diesel, you're grounded! Ah! I'm not gonna let you get away. Come here!
Enjoy the show.
Oh, I'm so bored today. What should I do? I have an idea. I'm going to link up with Scoop and we can cause a train wreck together.
Is that who I think it is?
Hello, Scoop.
Hi, Diesel.
Let's cause some trouble.
Alright.
Alright, I need to biff those fans as hard as I can, so I can cause a train wreck.
Go, Diesel.
Okay, here it goes. Good luck running on the rails now, Thomas.
Look out!
Oh, cinders and ashes, what's happened here?
That's what I want to know.
Wait, I think I know who caused this. Diesel? Uh-oh. Did you cause this accident? No. Tell me the truth. Fine, yes I did, sorry. I don't care if you're sorry, Diesel. You're grounded. Go back to your shed right now. Fine! I hate steam engines. And don't talk back to me either!